Good afternoon. My name is Mohana Priya, final year ECB. My teammates are Preeti Srivani DR and Monisha R. We have done this project named Autocratic Aquatic Superintendence under the guidance of Mr. S. Sudarshan Sir, ME PhD MBA.
In upcoming days, we are facing a lot of water scarcity, and the rate of pollution is increasing day by day. Currently, groundwater is very hazardous and it causing many skin-related problems. So, upcoming generation will have a lot of water scarcity and a lot of polluted water. In current scenario, from all the water wastages, when compared water wastage from the overlapping water tank will have the most wasted water. So, if we save it, it has a plenty of water. After surveying 50 apartments and neighborhoods and other gated communities, we have designed the system.
So let me explain the system which we have devised. We have, as she told us, we have gone through surveys of about 50 apartments, and we have analyzed the needs of them, and we have proposed this system. So what this system does is, it checks the quality of the water, that is domestic water, that is being supplied to the customers or residents of apartments and gated communities. So at the beginning, whenever a water source is coming, like when we switch on our motors, what happens is, in current scenario, about 30% of the groundwater is being polluted, and these figures are known to increase in near future, thereby posing very much dangerous hazards to children and also to old age people. So to prevent this and to bring out a healthier society, we have also included water quality monitoring in our system. So what happens is, whenever water flows through the distribution line, first let me show through this. In here we are checking the pH and TDS of the water. So what pH does is, it checks the alkalinity and acidity of the water, and if the alkalinity or acidity of the water exceeds a particular amount, there will be a controller who will be having this app, and through this he can monitor how much water is being flowed into the main tank. This is the main tank. So through that he can easily see how much water is being filled, and overflow of the tank can be reduced. Due to overflow, there is a lot of wastage of water, and that can be reduced. We have used ultrasonic sensor for the water level indicator. So what it does is, whenever the tank fills up to 90% or 95%, it automatically switches off the main motor through release. Then after that, we have also supplied an user app for the user, and what they can do is, they can monitor their water consumption every day, and also they will be billed accordingly. So we have created an user app for them. Accordingly, if in case they exceed their normal consumption, like if they have normal consumption of 10 liters per they have normal consumption of 10 liters per day, and if they suddenly exceed up to 20 liters, then they'll be notified, telling that they have consumed more amount of water, and accordingly they can manage their consumption. This will regulate the water supply. Also, they have also got an opportunity to close the walls of the water supply of their apartment or their residency, cause in case if there is any leakage in water, or in case when they are going out, they might have forgotten to switch off any taps or something like that. So if they are going out, they can easily close the water wall, whose control is given in the app. So they can close the water wall from wherever they are around the world. This system device uses Node MCU as the Wi-Fi controller, and for microcontroller we are using Arduino. Other than that, our system is very cheap, and it is very scalable, easily scalable, and it can be increased up to number of houses, and can be managed dynamically. For software implementation, we have used React Native app. So this will be adaptable to both Android and iOS. And for database management, we are using Firebase database, so it can be scaled up accordingly. Thank you, sir. We thank our management for providing us this opportunity. We have got a lot of technical training from our college, specialized in embedded and IoT. Apart from that, we have also got some programming skill training too. I thank my HOD for Anita ma'am for extending her support to us, and our friendly guide Sudarshan sir and Maheshwari ma'am, all the staffs. Thank you.